What's up guys, a very good morning and welcome to another daily market outlook in which we're going to be discussing the major dollar pairs alongside gold. So let's dive in, see what is going on and where the market is going to be heading next. Starting off with the dollar index. The dollar index is currently just consolidating after, of course, that massive move up in towards the highs. Currently expecting a potential pullback to take place towards the levels which I called out in yesterday's video. If we currently look at the current price action on the dollar index, we can see that we're currently reacting to this doji candle over here at 99.795 approximately, and yet the 100 level of course lies just above, and that is currently forming an area of resistance for the market. So what I'm expecting a pullback to take place in the near future. We could move a little bit higher, but it of course would be a lot more healthy to start pulling back after such a large impulse into what the highs. Currently just watching, of course, these zones of consolidation. So yeah, that is it for the dollar index, waiting for a pullback to take place. So with that said, let's head over to Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar has been tanking down into towards the downside. Looking at the daily at the moment, the daily of course made a break of structure, closed above this high, meaning that the daily is now bullish. So what do we expect for the day ahead? Well, I am expecting a potential further pullback after this massive bullish run in towards the upside. However, for that bullish run to take place, we first of all need to break this area of structure, see that push down, then start seeing a pullback into, for instance, this area of consolidation slash supply, and then we can start looking for those potential shorts. So on Aussie dollar at the moment, it is still a waiting game. And with that said, let's have to Euro dollar. Euro dollar has tanked down lower at the moment. We are still bullish on the 4-hour. Of course, still bearish on the daily, and I would still prefer to see another push up on euro dollar, or at least I mean in towards this area of daily supply, and that area of daily supply took out this low over here. So this area of supply caused a break of structure on this low. So at the moment, waiting for a pullback on euro dollar to take place, and once we start seeing that pullback, we can start looking for those shorts further in towards the downside, as I do think that the daily is stronger than the 4-hour, or at least the daily is stronger structure wise than the 4-hour, and I am therefore expecting further downside from euro dollar. So that said, let's head over to our next pair, which is pound dollar. And pound dollar is currently still bearish, still waiting for further upside. I see a lot of liquidity being built above this trend line, so for me it would be more logical for price to move up a little bit higher first before even thinking of tanking down lower. Looking at the daily real quick, the daily is still bearish, and like I said in yesterday's video, I would still love for pound dollar to take out the liquidity above that high. As we can see, we've taken out the liquidity below this low beautifully, and I would therefore love to see a push up higher from pound dollar before seeing further downside once again. So that's that. Let's over to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar, so Kiwi dollar is of course beautifully reacting from that area of daily supply and 4-hour supply. So at the moment, what are we waiting for? We are waiting for just a slightly stronger impulse, then pullback, and then we will be looking for further shorts to play that daily pullback, as the daily is now bullish, but we of course want to see a pullback towards, I would say, the 50% mark, which lies around here. So yeah, pretty much the same as on Aussie dollar. Needs to just push a little bit lower, then pull back, and then we can look for shorts. So let's go to our last pair, which is gold. And gold is a barcode. So gold, yeah, this looks like the barcode of a supermarket product. Not interesting at all, and that's why I didn't spend any time on it yesterday. This is just consolidation, so personally not even actually looking into trading this at the moment. I'll just be looking for a potential short-term short if we kind of jump above this trend line, grab liquidity above this high, and then for instance react to this highest buy before the big sell-off. So yeah, that is it from my side, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. Still waiting for the daily to push down a little bit lower, but that is it. So wish you all a fantastic day, and if you need anything, just let me know, and here to help as always. Thanks, guys.